Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on it, and now let's scroll in order to find biometrics and security. Now we have to scroll down and find other security settings, so just scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Tap on other security settings, and here we've got whole credential storage section, and we've got the option to clear credentials. So just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.